Hi everyone, the article I chose to review, and I'm just going to read it so I make sure I get it correct. Should mindfulness for healthcare workers go viral? A mindfulness-based intervention using virtual reality and heart rate variability in the emergency room department. It was published in April of 2023 by Pasquale Friedman, Nam Patel, and Sika. So this study addresses the effects of mindful based interventions, specifically virtual reality in this case, on how it impacts the stress levels of individuals that work in emergency room departments. It was conducted at a academic hospital, the emergency room department specifically, and it had 45 participants. They consisted of medical students, resident physicians, and nurses. These 45 individuals were split into two groups. One used the virtual reality and the other used a mobile app. They were given tutorials on how to use each equipment that they were assigned to, and then given instructions to at least attempt two guided meditation sessions per week. They were also provided with a space just designated for them to do these guided meditation sessions. The study lasted 4 weeks and it was at a urban hospital. So out of the 45 participants, they were able to retain 32, and these 32 individuals did at least 3 sessions per week. And what was interesting is that the virtual reality, although it was slight, the individuals who participated with the virtual reality headgear had longer sessions and were apt to do more sessions than the mobile app. They also found that the heart rate variability scores were better in the virtual reality as compared to the mobile app. And another little interesting fact is that the males had better scores than the females. And over time, the males' scores, heart rate variability scores, increased as the females actually started to decrease. So the males were getting increased relaxation time, while the females over time experienced less relaxation time. So this study kind of validates the fact that virtual reality could be a very useful tool in helping individuals who work in high stress areas find time to counteract the stress that they encounter every day. That it had a very good retention rate. It had a 70% retention rate, and it was able to compare to other modes of mindful based intervention. And in the mobile app, they feel that the fact that you could be totally immersed in the virtual reality rather than and avoid distractions rather than the mobile app, which allowed for a greater chance of outside distractions, played into the fact that the virtual reality did better than the mobile app. It was also a very small size, so it would be nicer to see if we could get other emergency departments in urban areas to compare to see if it was just that one place or if it would actually helped in other places. It was also interesting that the females did not experience as much relaxation as the males, so it would be nice to see if maybe we could do some further studies on whether it's a male female thing or was it just this group of females, and kind of go from there. It would be interesting to see how virtual reality would help other aspects of healthcare, maybe operating rooms, psychiatric wards, because those are also high stress, but other areas of healthcare, maybe urgent care centers. And then if you started to see results, there's other high paced work environments that this model may actually really work well for. And I found it interesting because I myself am a high stress person and I'm always looking for other ways for mindfulness in my life, and I never thought of virtual reality, so it kind of opened some questions for me and something to look at, and I hope that it does the same for you. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.